Dreams are not what we see when we sleep. Dreams are not what we see when we sleep. They are the goals that keep us awake at night. But achieving those dreams requires something more. Well, hello, good afternoon, Sastyakal Adab. This is Mohammed Said from English Zone English Training Academy, Makrana. So today, first of all, I welcome to my family members and my dear audience. So today, as you know, we are celebrating 1st Jan. First of all, I would like to say happy birthday to Adi sir. Let's start. Today, I want to talk about four powerful words that shape their journey to success. Dreams, struggle, hard work, and success. My dear friends, these words are not just ideas and words. They are the essence of personal growth and achievement. They are the foundation of every great story of success. So first of all, dreams. Dream is a practical thing and a visualization. Dream is the starting point of every great achievement. It is the vision that pushes us to go beyond our current situation and aim for something better. My dear friends, we all have dreams in life. Dreams of what we want to become, of what we want to achieve. Some want to become doctor, engineer, artist, and just good human beings. But my dear friends, in today's time, dreams are not enough. Dreams are not enough. When we have dreams, we can work, we can achieve. Dreams are the foundation of everything. Dream is the starting point of towards success. Take the example of Thomas Edison. His dream was to create a working light bulb. People laughed at him when he was failed. Over a thousand times invent a light bulb, but his dream. So Thomas Edison said, I have not failed, I have just found thousand ways that won't work. सपने उनके सच होते हैं जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। सपने उनके सच होते हैं जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता जनाब, इस दुनिया में हौसलों से उड़ान होती है। And the second word, struggle. Struggle means facing challenges in life, dealing with setbacks and pushing through tough times. Every dream comes with obstacle. Struggle is not your enemy, it's your companion on the journey to success. Struggle is not a punishment, it is a gift. Struggle tests your patience, strength, and your resolve and see breath. Every rejection, every failure, and every obstacle is a stepping stone to success. Take the example of Nelson Mandela. He spent 27 years in prison fighting for freedom and equality. Those years hardship didn't break him. They made him a stronger. संघर्ष ही जीत का संगार है, संघर्ष ही जीत का संगार है। जिसने किया संघर्ष उसने पाया संसार है। गिरना, संभलना और फिर उठना, यही तो असली सफलता की पहचान है। Now third word, hard work. Hard work is the key to achieve success in life. Hard work means every continuously learning, putting in your best effort and staying focused on your goal. And the most important things, never give up, even when things are difficult. Hard work is not just about putting in effort, it's about consistency, dedication, resilience and the determination to achieve our goal. Think about people like Sachin Tendulkar, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam or Sundar Pichai. His success did not come easily. So Sachin Tendulkar, one of the greatest cricketer and legend, practiced endlessly while others were sleeping and resting. He was training in ground. His determination made him a legend. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, everyone knows as the missile man of India. He started as a newspaper boy. But through hard work and sheer determination, he became one of the scientists and leaders in India. The mantra of hard work, dream big, have a clear goal in mind, and work every day. Even small steps matter and never give up. Failure is just a stepping stone. सपने उनके सच होते हैं जो ज़्यादा सोते नहीं। सपने उनके सच होते हैं जो ज़्यादा सोते नहीं। हिम्मत उनमें होती है जो ज़्यादा रोते नहीं। मेहनत के दियों से चलाओ रास्ता, मंजिल भी कहेगी आपसे बेहतर कोई नहीं। And the fourth word, success. Success is not a destination but a journey. It's about overcoming challenges. It's about overcoming challenges and continuously learning and effort. Many people think that success happens overnight, but the truth is it takes time, effort, and persistence. Failure is not the end of the road, it's a part of the process and journey. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam always said, fail means first attempt in learning. So why we are fearing from failure? Failure. Thomas Edison said genius is 1% perseverance and 99% persistence. True success is when people look at you and say, wow, that's incredible. Let's consider the example of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, former President of India and the missile man of India. His success did not come easily. Born into a humble family, started as a newspaper boy. He faced numerous challenges, but his passion for learning and his dedication to his drove him forward. Despite early setbacks, including struggle to get into college, but he never gave up. His hard work and determination led him a success. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam lay in ability to inspire millions people with words and the vision. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam said, when your signature become an autograph, means that is success about leaving an impact on others and the world. And now conclusion, no matter where we come from and what challenges we face, we have the ability to change our life. Our journey is unique. Don't think we may feel that others have more resources and talent and opportunities. We have just something power. We will.